Howdy folks, Fancy Picker here. Got the old Sport Cub put together, and I don't have the flaps put on it yet, but I think I'm ready to try the maiden. So without further ado, off we go with the Sport Cub. Let's see, let me make sure I'm good. And I'm good, here we go. Clipping a little grass on takeoff there. Thing just wants to float. Look at that. Just wants to float. That's beautiful.